Mopping.
All right, guys, we are going to do it. Bob just cannot stop raving about these floors. All right, guys. He literally said it changed the house. And it does, guys. It really changes the house.
You guys changed the feel of home.
Thank you, Bob. I appreciate that, man.
Yeah.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
And that matters to us. We
Yep.
were sad. We have been sad.
And this made your day.
Yeah.
Man, these floors are nice and smooth. Got the countertops. Tavares did the countertops. Wow. All right, guys. July the 11th on a Friday. We just got through wrapping up the house in Decatur. Floors came out immaculate. So went off and did a consultation. I told you guys about that. He booked for next Tuesday. So now we have 2 jobs next Tuesday. I just sent Tavares around the corner. I had a client that we did 2 weeks ago. Got some footprints in the finish. So I just sent Tavares to go do a touch up on that. It's only like 5 minutes from where we are now. So I'm starting these floors, guys. This is also a new client, Bob. Bob was actually recommended to me by one of my network partners, Troy. So these are engineered floors. They're moving in. You can see some build up on the floors. You see some wear on the floor. So what we're gonna do today, again, is screen this floor down, clean it, recoat it, and UV cure it. And we're also gonna do the countertops. So let me flip this around and show you what we got going. All right, guys, so these are the floors. From the, from the view, you really can't see, but if you zoom in, you see a lot of wear on these floors. See like right up in there, but it's all over. Just kind of give you a demonstration. So what I'm going to be doing, let's see like right here, guys. See all that? So what I'm going to be doing, it's a small job. The foyer area, kind of leading around into this dining room. And then over here, and so for example, I'm gonna zoom in, let you guys see all that? See all that smudge and there's some type of residue on the floor. You don't wanna move into a house like this, with all this stuff on the floor. So I'm gonna knocking this stuff down, and then we're also gonna do the countertops. I'm gonna clean. You see a lot of residue on the countertops. So I'm gonna clean, polish, buff, and seal. So here I'm just doing a little demonstration, guys. So as you can look, if you look from an angle, see how I'm smoothing all that stuff down, knocking all that stuff off the floor. All right, guys, go ahead and get started, and I'll take care of this client. And then we got one more consultation to do on the way in, going back to the office. All right, guys. See right over there. All right, guys, look at these floors now. The client have not even seen the floors yet. Guys, these floors came out amazing. Oh my God, these floors look good. I see why I get so many good compliments. Guys, I can make a floor look good. Like I say, for the most part. So T is actually setting up. We're about to start doing the countertops. And then after the countertops, we're gonna do the UV cure. And then we're gonna call our client up and let them see the after results. The floors came out amazing. Wow. All right, guys, we're going ahead and get started with the countertop. All right, guys, look at the difference. Look at the one we have not done yet. We have not done this one yet. Have not done this yet. But look at this. Wow, look at that. They want to top it off with a sealer. So we cleaned it, we buffed it, now we're polishing it, and then we're going to seal it off. You can see the difference. Look at the difference from there to there. All right, guys, I'm about to start UV curing. All right, guys, we got the floors done. We're down to the last countertops. I just called Bob and his wife up to look at the floors. Hold on one second. Hey, T. Hold on, they're coming up. And so I'm gonna let them look at the counter, man. Come on up, guys.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Oh, that looks great. I can walk on it?
Yeah, you can walk on it. Come on, yeah.
Okay. Should I take my, I'm gonna take my shoes off.
So guys, I was referred to Bob by one of my colleagues, Troy, and his wife is actually one of my YouTube fans. She's been following me on YouTube. And she said, Bob, I hope it was Courtney that you called. So check it out, guys.
It looks totally different.
Totally different.
Wow, what a, wow. I actually like them now. Yeah, oh, really?
Wow.
Yes, sir. See how it looks more natural now?
Yeah. It doesn't look, it looks like a better floor.
Yes.
Beautiful.
It looks like a better floor. It doesn't even look like the same floor.
No, we don't. You see how good it feels? So that's what I'm doing. I'm UV curing now. I've already UV cured over there. You guys can go look over there.
Okay.
So guys, we got the countertops done. Look at the reflection.
Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh God, this is the way you want to move into it.
This is how you want to move into a house.
Yeah.
And you just feel how smooth they are, nice and sealed.
Because I thought, wow, this is some real old stuff. We're gonna get rid of it. So thanks.
Yeah.
Save me some money.
No,
And we
this
also
is-
went and did the Tavares did the stove top for you as well.
Thank you.
Yep.
You know, all new appliances. Now we got new countertops. We got new floor. We
Yeah.
got carpet clean. We
Yep.
painted.
Shout out to Troy. Troy cleaned the carpets. You see that we tape off the carpets, protected the carpet edges.
Yep.
Yep.
Protect that. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Well, what? I love the finish. too.
Yes. Nice satin finish, not too shiny. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I really like the satin.
Boy, you just made me like
We like the house now.
Now you like the house.
We didn't like it
Wow.
before. We bought the house and we were going,
That's why I tell people, man, it's two things that people pay attention to: floors and the walls.
Yeah.
It's floors and the walls. Yep.
Okay.
Well, thank you guys so much.
Thank you.
Yes, nice and smooth. Yep.
Yeah.
You said we could skate on it.
Yeah, you can skate it. Yep.
You know, I
It's
knew it was
amazing.
just
I'm
getting
I'm
better.
really shocked. It's
Looks this good. Yeah.
Well, you see my videos.
I know.
How long have you been following me?
Well, It was just a couple of weeks because we started thinking about doing this, and then I looked it all up and went, "Hey Bob, you should hire him." And he goes, "I already hired somebody," and then he told me
It was me.
"Today
It was me.
you."
See there?
So excited.
That's what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
that's so powerful.
It is.
That YouTube thing, and how long you been doing it? Like
I've been doing YouTube for over 10 years. That's why I started doing it.
my
But that's why, because I used to clean carpets too, like Troy.
Right.
And I got burnt out like 5 years ago.
Yeah.
But I had been doing the wood floors for almost over 10 years. But I've really mastered it probably the last 3-4 years. And I just kept continue to do my YouTube. That's how people find me.
I know.
People, they'll either find me on Google.
It's like a portfolio.
It's like a portfolio. Thank you.
It's so
Yep.
powerful, and then your
It's, you know, it's a
personality
lot
is
of work,
there.
too.
Thank
you
you.
get to use that.
Yep.
I mean, it's everything.
It's everything.
Way to go.
So do you have
And
somebody
get-
help you do all your uploading and all that stuff?
I do it all myself.
Do you? Wow.
I record my video. Now my guy right here, Tavares, that's his main job is to record me.
Oh,
So
yeah,
he
yeah,
does my recording, my picture, but I edit. Cause I keep you watch my videos, I keep mine plain and simple. So I don't get into all that loopy-loops and I just keep it plain simple because my average audience is like you guys.
I don't
you
wanna
know,
feel that.
So they don't want to see all that stuff. Yeah, they just want to get straight to the point.
We do like,
You know.
can you do
Yep.
it or not?
You're right.
Yes.
Well, you know
So I
what's-
know who my audience is, so I know how to cater to them.
You do.
Yep.
Powerful.
That you, well, the one I saw, I don't know if it was the brand new one, but you were showing how you were in a pretty nice house that had really dark spots on it, and how you could put a chemical on it, or you're going to have to lift the boards up
Yes,
and
yep.
change them.
Yep.
I didn't even know you could do that.
Yes, you can. Yep. You can lace them out.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, that was the word, lacing.
Yep. Lace. Yep. So what this is doing is curing the floor, the finish. So you know when you go get your nails done, and you put it's the same concept. Oh yeah.
Yeah.